Hi guys, for today's video, I made a simple granny square. I combined the three colors. For the first round, I use orange color. We'll make a big knot. Then inside the big knot, you will be creating a double crochet and you will be creating 12 double crochet in one hole. Just continue doing this until you reach a 12 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So after that, you will pull through the yarn so you can close the first round. So we already end for our first round of the granny square. So for the second round, we will change the color of the yarn. So I choose white color. Just do single crochet, but this time you will loop the yarn 3 times and then chain 2. Again, loop the yarn again 3 times again, and then another chain 2. So you will just continue this process again 3 times, loop your yarn 3 times and then chain 2, loop again 3 times, then chain 2. So you will continue this pattern until you reach or until the end of your second round. Now you will use slip stitch to close the second round, then cut it again. So we will proceeding to the next round for the third round. So this time you will do 4 double crochet in one stitch, 4 double crochet for the first stitch, and for the next stitch you will do 2 double crochet, so then go back to 4 double crochet in one stitch, three, 4, and then after that you will make another 2 double crochet in one stitch. So you will continue this pattern until you reach or end the third round. 1, 2, then another 2 double crochet again in one stitch. So continue it until you end up the ground, and then I will go back at the end of the round. So you will just use slip stitch again to close the third round. And then another slip stitch just to make sure it's closed one. And then first chain two. This one is for your fourth round or for the last round. We will use for double crochet on the first stitch. So it should be like this. We have 4 double crochet in one stitch. Then to continue, do the 2 double crocheting in next stitch. Then another 2 double crochet in one stitch. Another 2 double crochet again in one stitch. It should be like this. Another. So for the next stitch, we will make again another 4 double crochet. You will just continue doing this until the end of the round. So 4 double crochet in one stitch and then 2 double crochet and next stitches. So here is the last. Use slip stitch to close it. Another slip stitch to make sure that it's already closed. And then cut it. So here's guys. So this one is a simple pattern of a granny square. I hope you like it. See you on my next vlog.